Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. This is a concise, well-crafted summary and it highlights only the important keywords. Let's look at the colitis. So colitis, as the name suggests, it involves the inflammation, and inflammation is nothing but of the colon. So there are also presence of the hostrations. The hostrations are thickened and it projects inside the radiograph and it is known as a thumbprint sign. So there is something known as the thumbprint sign. The thumbprint sign, it indicates the thickened edematous haustra. So edematous haustra, and also this is basically due to the inflammation. Next is the barium study. It includes the impressions. This is what are these impressions about? It is due to the thickened hostrations. Hostrations can lead to these impressions. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.